In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to fix my Klarna account. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna show you plenty of options that you have to fix both the Klarna app not working and also fixing your account if you are unable to make purchases using the Klarna services. So first, for the application, what you can do on any device is first, check to see if you are receiving the email with a verification code or login link. Sometimes you might have to verify that you are the owner of the account, and if it detects a suspicious device, it is going to send an email containing a login link that you must use. If you didn't see the login email, check your spam folder, make sure that you are in the correct email address, and try using another email that you might have used previously on Klarna. If you are having different problems, such as forgetting your PIN code, you will be able to log in using your email instead, and like I said, as long as you receive the login email, you should be good to go. When it comes to using the app, as long as you have the latest version of the Klarna mobile app downloaded through the Play Store or the App Store, you will be able to open it up and start using the services immediately after signing in. So just make sure that your account is verified and that you have the latest version of the mobile app. Besides this, there isn't much that you can do to make the app work. As long as you have the latest version, you should be good to go. The biggest problems appear when trying to use the service. If you don't have enough purchase power, you will not be allowed to create cards and make a lot of payments at once. The best way to improve your purchase power is to continue using Klarna, making sure that you are maintaining the payments and that you are never late to make your payments. So, as long as you start using the services and you maintain your payment history well, you will be able to increase your purchase power and use Klarna without any restrictions. I hope I was able to help you on how to fix my Klarna account. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.